Alright, so, long story short, my capture card stopped working, didn't record my game audio, and I had my game audio on quiet. So, sorry beforehand, and here's me controlling an Alakazam with my bike bell and my whistles. So, with that being said, welcome to the episode. Alright, what is up, my fire pups? Mike is actually working today because I'm not being an idiot. And let's just get right into battling Marnie. Alright. And I did end up getting the Eviolite. I think I did. Yeah, I didn't even have to talk to that guy. So, we should be all set. Minus I still need to figure out one move to give Speed to. Marnie sends out Liepard. I send out Buff Chew. And I'm pretty sure all my team is at full health. Alright. Waiting directions. Iron Tail. Please hit. Oh, please hit. What the? My luck sucks. That's the one where I can't. Well, Iron Tail's gonna fail. Wait, what? What does Torment do? Can't use same. Did they nerf Torment? Alright, well, that don't matter. Body Slam! Actually, I should have used Spark. Oh, it's dead either way. Which Pokemon do, let me think, poison and fighting? No. No. Alright. Send you out. Alright. Pichu and Toxicroak. This one is my... Ooh, we're opposite genders too. I can actually do this. Thunder Wave. I think I gave him the Eviolite. Or did I give him the Light Ball? We're gonna figure it out. I gave him Light Ball. Who did I give the Eviolite to? Oh, you. Okay. Alright, so screw it. We're playing the setup method. That's really? How do I get swaggered? I hate this game sometimes. I'm gonna hit myself in Fusion too. Or not. I normally always hit myself in Fusion. And you're paralyzed, bitch. Alright. Nasty plot. I'm probably not gonna... Let's see. Okay. Complete breakthrough. And he's probably gonna hit me with a poison jab. As long as he doesn't poison me, I'm good. Really? What the hell? Yeah, that's why I made so much curry. I think I did that off screen, actually. Alright, three freaking... What's them called? I forget. Nasty Plots, that's it. 3 Nasty Plots, I'm pretty much probably gonna kill everything. I should should probably get a spark for draining kiss or something. Oh god, I didn't kill it. Oh well, still got plenty of fire. I'll just use... Hey. Yeah. I outspeed, fairy type move, I'm gonna put draining kiss on freaking Pichu. Japichu. And... Wait a minute. So you put your mouth on the Pokemon, and you get their life energy from it. Therefore, fairy types are vampires. Which includes my theory that fairy types are fucking evil. This is gonna hurt. Not as much as I thought it would. Give me my health back. That did about half. Please give me enough health to survive one. Okay, we're good. Oh no, he's angry. He's angry, I gotta drain him. Mine. And that's yummy. Alright. Morpeko is deado. Alright. Marnie is defeated. They got plenty of chances. Alright. So, first things first. I am going... Is Draining Kiss a TM or a TR? TM. Hell yeah. Change that for Spark. And we are good. Alright, make some curry real quick. Where's there a... No, I'm not gonna waste my ingredients. I'm pretty sure there's a freaking Pokemon Center in... I'm pretty sure this Pokemon Center works. And we are solid. 1, little 2, little 3, little Pikachu, 4, little 5, little 6, little Pikachu. You know what? Screw it. I'm putting you on my team just in case. Even though you don't have a light ball or an Eviolite. I got Pierre's weak card. Who's Pierre again? Alright, thank you. 1, little 2, little... Shit. I love how in this game, Team Yo's not really an evil organization, just an evil, not even evil, they're just a bunch of fanboys. 1, little 2, little 3, little Pikachu, 4, little 5, little 6, little Pikachu, 7, little 8, little 9, little Pikachu. Let's see if I can't kill this thing. Holy crap. Yes! Static on the third one! And the last one, thank God. What? Why can't I ever hit Iron Toad? Only a 75% chance to miss, not a freaking 50-50 split. Ew, this is gonna hurt. That's gonna kill. Oh, nope, don't kill. So, spark it up. I'm gonna fight an Obstagoon, aren't I? I'm gonna have to deal with obstruct. Oh wait, and this is the gym that doesn't have a Oh my god, for a second there I thought my freaking capture card wasn't recording. Alright, this is the one that doesn't have a Dynamax capabilities in the gym, doesn't it? How many healing items do I have? Let's see. Oh, I do need Brick Break for this gym, so I'll give that to Buff Q. Thunder Wave. Alright. We are good. Let's keep on going. You don't see me, you don't see me, you don't see me, you don't see me. What the hell? Mr. Mime, can you let me through, please? I want to kill you. Ugh. Freaking creepy hand strike again. Evil is easy. Wait, did I heal? I didn't heal. I hope I hit strike first. Yes! Evil goes down. Alright, 43, 37. Got it. And does this man come through now? Go! I didn't notice my first playthrough, but that the go actually lit up. I'm just gonna sit right here. Damn it, I can't access my bag when I'm sitting down. Alright, now what I need to do. I need to heal. Paralyze heal, burn heal, energy root, 120 revive, hyper potions, bucket energy root. Damn you! How did that not hurt your knee? Oh, never mind. You ended on the boxes. Team Yell coming undone today. I'm starting to suffocate. Brick break. Damn it. So close. Oh, that was a crit too. Holy shit. That's gonna hurt. I'm surviving. That makes things easy. Because Crafty is deady. What the hell did I just say? Stop jumping through windows. They're like hyenas. You hit one, they all run away. Really, I got max revives. Going undone. Hello. Shit. How many of these battles do I have to go through? Testing. Okay. So, my mic got unplugged. Why am I keep having mic difficulties in these episodes? But, I was saying, it don't matter. Long story short, I'll put a disclaimer at the beginning of the episode, and I should be able to see in post-editing exactly when it came off without even watching the episode, actually. I'm done. I think I gotta keep an eye on my mic and make sure it stays recording. So, distracted. Alright. Shit. I did not mean to body slam. Don't matter, because I have faked out anyways. Static? Nope. Alright, actually, body slam is my best bet. Try to get the static off. The paralysis off. I know. So this is the game you want to play. Brick Break. I'm surprised I hit that. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Alright, shit. What was his gender? I need to freaking ramp up Chouette. He would be good right now. You know what? Electro Ball. Please, my electro heart, deja vu, don't fall apart. Goodbye. Okay, I was kind of scared there it wouldn't kill. Okay. Malamar is... Who's Malamar? Oh god, is this thing. Yeah, it's contrary and it's creepy. Jesus Christ, Thunderbolt. I'm not lowering yours. And the speed! The speed comes through. Oh shit, this is gonna kill. Yep. Wait, no. Some of these moves, man. Pichu, I guess you're up. You should outspeed him by quite a bit because it's a Malamar and it's paralyzed. And oh god, it's 45. Oh shit. So I'm surprised. I think I even looked it up and I was surprised. I have a mansion. Alright, I know this thing is obstruct. It's probably gonna go for a turn 1, so I'm just gonna freaking draining nasty plot. Wait. Obstruct, I don't remember what obstruct does. But for now, nasty plot. Oh, it didn't go for obstruct. I know it's some kind of beef protect move. I don't remember which one. Here's number 1, I say, yada yada, what move are you gonna use? Okay, that's a throat chop. Draining kiss? Give me my health back, bitch. Oh god, I did nothing. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call you a bitch. No! Damn it. One crit, and I'm dead. One crit, he's gonna take a lot of damage. If I get a crit right here, nope. And one more turn, I'm dead. Alright. Static might save my ass. So right here, I either need a crit or a static, full para. Come on, baby, crit. Damn. Static full para. Damn it. Why can't I ever win? That was bullshit. I never get anything nice. Alright, so fuck it. This should be enough to kill. He should be able to kill and get hold up again XP from this. Electro Ball. This should be enough to kill. I don't have a light ball, so shit. Now you fool. I hate this bitch. 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 Have I ever told you how much I hate this bitch? Thunder. Keep old moves. Thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning in the thunder. Keep battling, because I don't remember what I said. What it said. And I'm not risking anything. I'm trying to get through this battle without using Pikachu. Oh, God, it's this fat fucker. Fuck. T-Bolt? T-Bolt. Paralysis. Oh, God, this is gonna take... What the hell? You're an asshole, you know this, right? T-Bolt. Screech. And now what do I use? I use the T-Bolt. That was a sucker punch. I should have went for Thunder Wave. Speed Chew. He might actually be able to kill. No, he won't. He might be able to damage him quite a bit. He's gonna toss me if I don't kill him. Yep. Don't you know that I'm toxic? Dun 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 dun. Okay. One more Electro Ball, as long as he doesn't sucker punch me. This should kill. Bye bye. Hey, I did get through without using Pikachu. Alright. So, it's been about 28 minutes. And we just got the spike now, so as soon as she gives us the badge, we're going to end this episode. So, if you like this episode, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. If you want to comment something, comment it. If you want to cuss me out in the comments, do that. But be nice to each other in the comments. Subscribe if you want to watch more. And with that, I got the dark uniform. There's Marnie. And... oh God, I keep forgetting that thing's a dude. Alright. Yada 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 yada. I swear to God that thing was a girl the first time I saw it. And when I first saw her again, him again, it again. And that gave me the TM. So with that being said,